से मैं सबको रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा सर Zalerio, Sri Udito, of Samaj, Krishna Jaiswal ji, if you are here, kindly come on the stage. To come on the stage.
नहीं वो था
Youths, not only from the Bihari community. He has encouraged the youths of Nagaland towards the cricket, and till date, so many students from schools till college, they have represented state level, district level, and also national level. So thank you so much, sir, for your contribution towards the cricket. Please give a round of applause for Sir Aidul Rahman. का स्वागत है और हमारे आज के मुख्य अतिथि आपको हार्दिक स्वागत और हमारे साथ हमारे चीफ गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर एंड स्पेशल समय वेस्ट नहीं करते हुए मैं सभी प्लेयर्स और जितने लोग खड़े हैं आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि आप लोग बैठ जाएं। Bihari Premier League. Now, I would request everyone to kindly stand and let's start with the national anthem for the day.
Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkal Banga Vindh Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchala Jaladi Taranga Tab Shubh Naame Jage Tab Shubh Ashish Mange Gahe Tab Jaya Gata Jan Gana Mangal Dayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He।
नमस्कार, गुड इवनिंग। सब बिहार यूपी के लोगन के गोर लगतनी। जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि हर साल नागालैंड बिहारी समाज अपने समाज की प्रगति के लिए, अपने समाज के उद्धार के लिए हम कुछ ना कुछ प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं। तो कुछ साल पहले हमारे समाज के लोग ने ये विचार किए कि क्यों ना हम अपने बच्चों के लिए एक क्रिकेट प्रीमियर लीग ऑर्गेनाइज करें। सो दिस इज द थर्ड टाइम वी आर गोइंग टू ऑर्गेनाइज ए बिहारी क्रिकेट प्रीमियर लीग फॉर द प्लेयर्स ऑफ बिहार, यूपी एंड झारखंड। सो ऑन दिस ओकेशंस, on behalf of Bihari community, I welcome our chief guest, Sri Zalerio Saab, Advisor, Urban Development and Municipal Affairs, Government of Nagaland. Also, I welcome the guest of honor of today's occasion, Sri Hukaito Efthumi, the Chairman of newly constructed Dimapur Municipal Council. A special guest, an elder brother figure of all the youths of this Thakurbadi, the present councillor of Ward number 17, Sri Omega Efthumi. I welcome you all, sir. And I also welcome the representative of different communities, Bengali communities President KK Paul, Muslim Council President Ayudir Rahman, संतोष शास्त्री जी, सिख कम्युनिटी विष्णु भट्टाचार्य जी, विनोद खंडेलवाल जी, नीता अग्रवाल, अनीता रॉय चौधरी, फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स मार्केट एसोसिएशंस, मनोज भट्टाचार्य जी, द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ रोटरी क्लब, आर.एन. पनेश्वर जी, द सिख कम्युनिटी, अग्रवाल समाज, श्री रमेश अग्रवाल, different clubs, institutions, I on behalf of Bihari community, I welcome you all. Sir, our players from our community, and from the last few years we have seen almost 17 players have represented Nagaland, and they all are from our community. They have represented in different categories of BCCI cricket tournament. So it is all because of that the Samaj, when they have organized, so these players have come up. So with this motive, once again we are here to organize the season 3 बिहारी क्रिकेट प्रीमियर लीग. हमारे ये प्रोग्राम खत्म होने के बाद आज का 4 मैच शुरू होगा. जो पहला मैच होगा वो मोतिहारी, दबंग और वैशाली के बीच होगा. ये सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि हमारा जो बिहार का जो फ्लेवर है वो हमें नागालैंड में मिल रहा है, क्योंकि हमारे जितने क्रिकेट टीम है उसका नाम भी बिहार के डिस्ट्रिक्ट के ऊपर है. मोतिहारी, चंपारण, छपरा, बलिया, वैशाली, वो सारे लोग यहाँ हैं. और मैं चाहूँगा कि आप लोग सब 5 दिन का ये टूर्नामेंट आप आइए और अपने अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट को सपोर्ट कीजिए, अपने प्लेयर को सपोर्ट कीजिए. और शायद आपको ये भी बताना चाहूँगा कि पिछली बार नागालैंड टीम में विशाल और राजा सीनियर नागालैंड क्रिकेट टीम में हमारे कम्युनिटी से रिप्रेजेंट किए थे. तो बहुत सारे बच्चे अभी आएंगे और आपको देखने को मिलेगा कि नागालैंड टीम में हमारे बिहार के बच्चे और भी बहुत सारे आएंगे. इसी मोटिव से हम लोग ये प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं. आने से पहले एक छोटा सा संदेश देना चाहता हूँ. पत्थर को अपनी मजबूती और भार पर बड़ा घमंड होता है. पत्थर को ऐसा लगता है कि उसकी मजबूती की वजह से उसे आग जला नहीं सकती और उसकी भार की वजह से तूफान जो है उसे उड़ा नहीं सकता है. लेकिन जब उसी पत्थर का सामना नदी से होता है तो वो डूब जाता है. जानते हैं क्यों? क्योंकि जिस मजबूती और भार पर पत्थर को गर्व होता है वही कारण बनता है उसका डूबने का. तो इसीलिए बच्चों, किसी चीज़ पर आप घमंड मत करना और अपनी जो पोटेंशियल है उस पर विश्वास करना और आगे चलना. Thank you, and once again I welcome you all in Bihari Cricket Premier League. Thank you.
Guest here. So let me introduce first with our chief guest, Sri Jale Rio sir. He is a retired IAS and advisor for urban development and municipal affairs under government of Nagaland. He has contested his first election in the year 2013 and second in year 2018, and this is the third term in year 2023, and in all the 3 times he won with his thumb majority. So we warmly welcome you here, sir, to Bihari Cricket Premium Leagues. Today we have a guest of honor, Sri Hugito Yupthomi sir. He is the chairman of Dimapur Municipal Council. He has been elected from Limdi Colony, and in this election being from last 17 years, as it is in my knowledge, he has been elected with the full support of other members as well, and he is the councillor of Municipal Corporation. We have Dimapur Municipal Council. He is also the president of MP Road and GS Road Business Community, and he is request you, sir, can you please stand up and show your face to the public? Thank you, sir. He is the son of Sir Zalerio, retired IAS. He is the first class contractor and a supplier of Nagaland. Recently, he has been contributed his contributions that he have constructed a drainage in Thakurbari area, and also he have installed clean drinking water project in Thakurbari. And further, he is also looking for more development for our communities and for the town areas. So thank you, sir, for coming and gracing this event today. For the felicitation program, I would request the President of Nagaland Bihari Samaj, Sri Shivnarayan Chaudhary ji, to kindly come over the stage. And I... Sir Zalerio. Mr. Ashish Sankar to kindly escort our guest of honor on the stage. Sri Udito. The working president of Nagaland Bihari Samaj, Sri Narottam Jha ji, to come on the stage. With him, I would like to request Sri Krishna Gupta ji to escort our special guest on the stage. Sir Omega is also a youth icon, as you all know. He is not a new face for Dimapur, as all Peter Rio. So I would request the Vice President of Nagaland Bihari Samaj, Sri YP Gupta ji, to come on the stage. And I request Mr. Nitesh Singh ji to escort our guest on the stage. It's a traditional dance for you all who are here. Let's enjoy with the Bihari folk dance. I request the team members to kindly be on the stage for your performance. On the stage, and I request the President of Nagaland Bihari Samaj to kindly come on the stage and felicitate our guest here, Sir Narottam Jha ji, or our Sir Shivnarayan Chaudhary sir. Sir Manpai Phom, he is the administrator of DMC. Please give a round of applause for him, sir. Thank you. Of Samaj, Krishna Jaiswal ji, if you are here, kindly come on the stage. To come on the stage. If you are here, please come on the stage. You are requested to come on the stage, sir. Sir N. Sema. Thank you so much, sir, for coming. Here for different Samaj peoples who are here today. Let's not forget the different Samaj and their contributions of Bengali Samaj. To felicitate him, I request Munna Singh sir to kindly come on the stage. here the member of Nagaland Bihari Samaj. Please kindly come on the stage. I request a Sikh Samaj to felicitate him. I request Mr. Bhushan ji, if you are here, please kindly come on the stage. Muslim Council to felicitate Muslim Council, the representative or the members of Nagaland Bihari Samaj, Kamakhya Singh, if you are here, Shri Kamakhya Singh ji, please. Man is again well-known face for a Muslim Council. Stage. And to felicitate the newly appointed president of Rotary Club of Dimapur, Sri Manoj Bhattacharya ji. Sir, Manoj Bhattacharya have given lot. Thank you so much, sir, for the member of Nagaland Bihari Samaj to kindly come on the stage. To felicitate Vinod Khanderwal ji. Now Bihari Samaj, Ganeshwar Prasad ji, if you are here, kindly come over the stage to felicitate Hindu Seva Samiti, any representative from Hindu. Thank you so much, sir. Now I request Mukesh Sankar ji, if you are here, kindly come on the stage, Mukesh Sankar ji, to felicitate Dimapur. Thank you so much, sir. Bong's President Sri Jewel Acharya ji, you are requested to kindly come over the stage. Now I request the member of Nagaland Bihari Samaj, Amit Srivastava ji, to kindly